Before we get into the video, can y'all please drop a like? It'll really help me, and subscribe for more videos. Once you subscribe and good stuff like that, download WinSCP. Then you should drag the stream script that will be in the download and drag into the WinSCP like I did in the video. Now once you log into your server with your PUTTY, you're going to type in ls, then you should see that you have a stream script. Then you want to press cd/root/stream script. You'll see it on the screen how to spell it if you have any problems. After that, what you want to do is type chmod777, then space after. So it's on the screen if you don't know what I'm talking about. After that, you want to click ./start, then you should have the menu. Now you guys have the menu. I gave y'all a good video, so all y'all have to do is subscribe to my channel. I'll have more videos like this. And thank y'all. I really like to subscribe because I want to reach 1,000 subs where my channel get out there. Make sure you guys add me and Skype it. Anything you fucking do, that's you, not none with me. So don't report none of me. So I'll see you guys.